Welcome to Festive Flavors. Coconut Ladoo or Nariyal ke Ladoo is a traditional Indian sweet made on most festive occasions like Diwali, Holi or Janamashtami with just two basic ingredients, condensed milk and desiccated coconut, and two optional ingredients, rose water and cardamom powder. What else is great about these laddoos is that they are made in just under 10 minutes, from cooking to popping into your mouth. They are energy-giving balls, great for kids and adults alike. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of coconut, tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Desiccated coconut 2 cups, condensed milk 3/4 cup, rose petals half teaspoon, rose water 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, desiccated coconut 1/4 cup. Let's get started. In a pan, add sweetened condensed milk on low heat. Stir for a minute, then add cardamom powder. Rose petals. I've taken dried and cleaned rose petals. You can use fresh, cleaned and chopped petals. Add desiccated coconut and mix well. Add rose water, mix again. Cook by stirring for 5 minutes on low heat till everything comes together. Now take it off the flame and cool a little. When it has cooled a little, make round balls of coconut mixture. Place the ball in desiccated coconut and roll the laddu so that it is covered with coconut all over. Make all the laddoos the same way. You can eat them as soon as they are made, and they can be stored for 2 weeks. The perfectly delicious and fragrant Ladoo made without any effort and made in no time is ready to serve. Enjoy. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making coconut laddu. Use fine shreds of desiccated coconut and not the large shreds. Use sweetened condensed milk. Do not cook the coconut and condensed milk mixture on high flame. Use low flame. Take care not to burn the mixture. Health benefits of desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut provides minerals needed to keep our connective tissue strong, which are skin, tendons, ligaments, bones, and teeth. The copper in desiccated coconut helps maintain brain health by activating the production of neurotransmitters and also help in production of myelin, the protective sheath of neurons. Desiccated coconut is rich in iron and fiber. The iron prevents anemia and fiber controls blood cholesterol and blood sugar. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.